Hey guys, let's take a quick look here at the Erayak 2400P. Cool little inverter generator they sent for review. So let's go over a few things on it. Now it comes with a bunch of extras. You've got your screwdriver here because your oil fill is under the panel here on the other side. So you got two screws to take out and then it just pops out. It's got the little rubber grommets and posts in there so you can pop it out, pop it back in. You've got a little fill jar here for your oil because it's in the generator. It's kind of tucked in there a little bit. You got the screwdriver to take that side panel off. You've even got a spark plug wrench and a spare spark plug in there. And then we have the 12-volt battery charger here. So if you got a dead battery that you need to charge up, you've already got the stuff to do that. And of course, we've got our instructions in there. So all your accessories and your instructions on what to do with your new inverter generator is in this bag. And your oil fill on it is right here. You take out the two screws here. And like I said, it's just got rubber grommets and posts in there. Pop this out and then you can reach your filler neck and your dipstick on that. You've got a spot up here designed to get in and change your spark plug. All that just snaps in. We've got our exhaust port back here. We've got our switch to start it and then turn it into run, and your pull cord for starting it. We've got a gas filler up here, and that has an air vent on it, so you can shut that off or on if you're running it, so it'll fill in with air to take up that gas that you're running. We've got our meter over here. We've got all our warning lights here. We've got an eco mode if we're going to run this, try and use less gas on it. A breaker there. We've got two 20 amp outlets down here. We've got our cigarette lighter, 12 volt under here. And under here, you've got a couple of nice little USB ports for you. And this one is rated for 1800 watts, 2400 watts peak. So that's why we're at the 2400P. Super easy to start up. The first time it took a few pulls because we didn't have any gas in here at all. So we just switch it over here to the start. Take our cord out, which it's nice. It tucks in there, so it's going to stay in there. Give it a couple pulls. Since I already had it running once, saw how easy it starts up. We just switch over to our run there. It's a little loud because it's a generator. You're expecting that. And to give you a little demonstration over here, I got my shop fan set up. Turn that on, it's running that just fine. We swap over to the eco mode here, and you can see how it turned way down, so you're not going as fast with the RPMs on this, and it's still giving you decent power. You can charge up your batteries or your phones or anything like that without burning through all that gas. And if you're in eco mode and you got to plug something else in, just flip it back over and it pops right back up. When we're all done, we're going to shut it down. Just flip that switch to stop. We're all shut down. We're going to turn off our vent up here. Make sure you're careful because you do have a hot surface on the back side there. But we're turned off, unplugged. We're ready to go with our nice little portable generator that only weighs about 45 pounds.